Mae'n braf cael eich cwmni. Hello everyone. Thanks for listening. It is nice to have your company. Mae'n ddiwedd y byd fawr rydyn ni'n ei adnabod ac rwy'n teimlo'n iawn. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. Cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 98. Series 4 and episode number 98. Leiciwn I Ddim Dysgu. I would not like to learn. So, hello, good evening, noswaith dda. Okay, bawb has become bawb. The word everyone is soft mutated P to a B because we're using it as a vocative, or a noun or a noun plural, or a pronoun is used to address people. Soft mutation P to B. Diolch, rando. The verb noun, gwrando, to listen, has soft mutated. The G has dropped. Gwrando is now rando. It's gone, that G, disappeared, or dropped. Some people say disappeared, some people say dropped. So that's what's happening there. And it's happened after the key preposition am, which means for or about, but can mean what, as a kind of expression, exclamation. And the key prepositions are am ar at, dan dros drwy, tan tros drwy, gan heb hyd, I o wrth. Okay, mae'n braf cael eich cwmni, no mutation, dim treiglad. Mae'n ddiwedd. It is the end, so diwedd, the end, which is a noun, is coming after the predicative particle un, and that's why the D of diwedd is mutated to double D. Fel rydyn ni'n ei adnabod, no mutation. Okay, cyfres 4 a phenod rhif 98. A phenod, episode, is aspirate mutated to phenod. Treiglad llais, aspirate mutation. Okay, so the P to a PH after the word a conjunction and where only 3 letters aspirate mutate, P, T and C. Letters that make up the phrase pat the cat, park the car, post the card, pop the cork, pull the curtains. And Leiciwn I Ddim Dysgu. I would not like. Dim has become them, negative particle. It's the object of a short form verb construction. Dim to a them, D to a double D. That's the end of the mutations. Whew, treigladau. Mutations. Right, jumping on to today's tense as such. Negative of leicio, conditional mood, using leicio as a modal or governing verb. And we have this. Leiciwn I Ddim Dysgu, or Leiciwn I Ddim Dysgu. I would not like to learn. Leicio I Ddim Dysgu, or Leicio I Ddim Dysgu. You would not like to learn. Leicio fe, leicio fo, or leicio hi ddim dysgu. Or leicio fe, leicio fo, leicio hi ddim dysgu. He, she, it would not like to learn. Look at the table if you don't get what I'm saying. Leiciwn I Ddim Dysgu. Leicen I Ddim Dysgu. We would not like to learn. Leiciach I Ddim Dysgu. Leicech I Ddim Dysgu. You, plural, formal, polite, would not like to learn. Leician nhw ddim dysgu. Leicsen nhw ddim dysgu. They would not like to learn. That's your table. And there's a game for it, as usual. And then the verb nouns, berfenwau, for today, heddiw, yw, anafu, injure, hurt, cyfarch, cyfarch. Greet, address. Gwella, get better, improve, recover, enhance, cure, get. Seiclo, to cycle, bicycle, ride on your bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. That kind of thing. Sgwrsio, chat, converse, talk. And the usual games and flashcards, sentences, body sentences. And then using the N words with today's tense that I did in the table not just so long ago. And let's jump on to, so there's some sentences for them new words. And they're using today's tense. So it makes it all good and drums it home, doesn't it? Bum, 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 bum. Leiciwn I ddim anafu. Leiciwn I ddim anafu. I would not like to injure. Leiciwn I ddim cyfarch. I would not like to greet. Leiciwn I ddim gwella. I would not like to improve. Leiciwn I ddim seiclo. I would not like to cycle. Leiciwn I ddim sgwrsio. I would not like to chat. There we go. And today's listening exercise is Leiciwn I lollipop gofynaf y ferch. I would like a lolly, asked the girl. Faswn I ddim yn hoffi bod yn ei esgidiau, meddai Bethan. I would not like to be in his shoes, said Bethan. Dim ond rocedi a lemonade sydd ar ôl, atebodd y dyn hufanio. Only rockets and lemonade left, replied the ice cream man. Fyddai dim lle i'r ddau ohonych chi, ychwanegodd Rhys. There wouldn't be room for the both of you, added Rhys. There you go. So Leiciwn is in there. Gofynaf. So we know we did the preterite ending of dysgu, which was dysgais I, dysgais ti, dysgodd e, dysgodd hi, etc. Of, the odd, O-double-D, odd, he's a bit odd. Ice-T, the rapper, and ice-E. I'm a bit icy, he's a bit iced-tea. You're a bit icy, sorry. And he's a bit odd, ODD, if you get what I'm saying. We did it before anyway. So ODD is the preterite ending of the third person singular, and that's what's saying there. Gofyn, which we know is ask, gofynnodd. We're going to get to more of these endings. So the endings we did for this in the episode Ffurf Gryno, I think, or one of the past episodes where I showed you the AIS ending of ice-E, AIST, ice-T. We had an ODD ending, ODD, odd. And that's what's on there, gofynnodd. And the stem of gofyn is a double N, where the normal word is just one N, and then the stem becomes two N's. There's something going on there with them double N's, isn't there? Right, what we got time for? Not a lot, we've got about 21 seconds, believe it or not. I didn't time that. They did. Rappers. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Ta-ra, see you tomorrow.